Hi there, Dori Sukup here, founder of Inspiration Management, and I am so excited to be with you because I am introducing a brand new product that you definitely need to get your hands on it. It's called How to Reactivate Inactive Client or Reactivating Inactive Clients. You definitely want to take a look at this new program and implement it within your medical spa so you can improve your retention rate and reduce your attrition rate. So I am super excited. We actually introduced this to all of our members last month, and now I want to make it available for the rest of the industry so we can really make a difference. This program is definitely a must in your success library. So let me tell you a little bit about it. This is a 3-part program. I will provide you with a step-by-step process on how to analyze your current retention rate and attrition and how to implement successful strategies to re-engage your clients and gain them back to purchase and repurchase from you over and over. As a result, you will improve your guest experience, reduce your marketing costs, and increase your retention rate. That's what everybody wants, right? So the program includes a video presentation, an MP3 audio file, and a PowerPoint presentation document. So you can take your notes and really implement the great content that's in it. So let me explain a little bit what each part contains. So in part 1, I share with you how to set the foundation to truly reactivate those clients. So we start by first identifying why do your clients leave to begin with. Then we go into steps to conduct an inactive client analysis because you really need to know who they are. And then you want to find out the cost of attrition and the benefit of retention. So I'm going to have some exercises for you to crunch some numbers. And then how important it is to track team retention. So I'll share with you some strategies also on how to do that. So that's part 1. In part 2, we're going to discuss the guest experience and the impact it has on your retention rate. Let's face it, you have to do a guest experience assessment and see why people are leaving to begin with and what is that retention rate. Then you need to assess the actual experience and see how you can start delivering a wow guest experience to truly retain them and exceed their expectations. And then we go into the importance of training the team and how important it is for them to feature their expertise and give your clients the results that they're looking for. So that's what we do in part 2. In part 3, we talk about a campaign that you need to launch so you can re-engage inactive clients. So I go into this whole process on how to re-engage the client. I share with you all sorts of strategies to help you do that. I also go over an event that you can host. It's called the Let's Reconnect event. And then we go into the reactivation attendance and sales offers that you need to make, and also how to continually maintain happy clients. So again, it has in it everything that you need to truly reactivate those inactive clients. The entire program is 3 hours long. It is filled with easy to implement strategies to help you avoid losing clients and what you can do to actually retain them. Because at the end of the day, that's exactly what we want to do. We work so hard to gain them, so we want to retain them. This program is ideal for any medical spa, wellness center, day spa, you name it, any management teams, medical aesthetic teams. It's ideal for your success library. So I encourage you to go ahead and get your hands on it and be able to implement it so you can reactivate all these lost clients. People who also purchase this program are super interested in the VIP program that we have, where I teach you how to have a recurring revenue model. So you definitely need to have that one also in your success library. So go check it out. Also, watch the Dory talk that I did on this topic that will give you a nice little overview. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us, talk to one of my team members, and let them help you answer any questions that you might have. So thank you so much for being part of our community. Again, let's really work on that guest experience and make sure that people are coming to us and that we are retaining them. So give us a call. Go to the shopping cart on inspirationmanagement.com to get your copy, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like this and you feel someone else that you know will benefit from it, please feel free to share it. Until next time, stay inspired.